Hello and welcome back to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. In this lesson, I am going to explain the following topics. First, an encryption overview, and then we will deep dive into encryption. These topics are part of Domain 5, Security Operations Concepts in the Certified in Cybersecurity, or CC exam. They're super useful for both exam preparation and, honestly, for building a strong cybersecurity foundation. So, let's begin. Almost every action we take in today's digital world involves cryptography. Encryption protects our personal and business transactions, while digitally signed software updates verify the creator's or supplier's authenticity. Digitally signed contracts, which are legally binding for all parties, are routinely exchanged via email, without fear of later repudiation by the sender. Cryptography protects information by keeping its meaning or content secret, making it unintelligible to anyone who does not have a way to decrypt or unlock that protected information. The objective of every encryption system is to transform an original set of data, called the plaintext, into an otherwise unintelligible encrypted form, called the ciphertext. When properly used, singly or in combination, cryptographic solutions provide a range of services that help achieve required system security postures in multiple ways. Cryptography ensures confidentiality by hiding or obscuring a message so that it cannot be understood by anyone except the intended recipient. Confidentiality keeps information secret from unauthorized individuals. Integrity. Hash functions and digital signatures provide integrity services, allowing a recipient to verify that a message has not been altered by malice or error. Even simple message integrity controls can detect deliberate or accidental changes made by the sender or recipient. An encryption system is a set of hardware, software, algorithms, control parameters, and operational methods that provide a set of encryption services. Plaintext is data, or a message in its normal, unencrypted form. Its meaning or value is immediately available for use by an end user, whether a person or a process. Plaintext can include image, audio, or video files in raw or compressed forms, human-readable text, and numeric data, with or without markup language elements for formatting and metadata, database files, records, and fields within a database, and, honestly, any other data represented in digital form for computer processing, transmission, and storage. It's important to remember that plaintext can be anything, and much of it may not be directly readable by humans. Now let's move further into the topic. Examples of encryption persist throughout human history, from early cryptic depictions by cave dwellers in Magura Cave in Bulgaria to the pyramids at Giza. Each group historically used primitive cryptographic methods to communicate internally while keeping secrets from rival tribes about hunting grounds, water sources, or food supplies. Encryption begins with clear text, information that is easily readable, which is then transformed using an algorithm, often a form of software embedded in a system, activated with an encryption key. For example, if your accountant sends you a PDF document to review before submitting taxes, encryption would convert it into ciphertext, which cannot be used by anyone else. Both you and your accountant would have a preset encryption key to retrieve the information. Key management is critical. In commercial environments with thousands of keys, a third-party or external server often stores and manages keys separately. This ensures that keys are safeguarded and protected through hashing, preventing unauthorized access. Asymmetric encryption offers even greater security. Each sender and receiver uses a unique code, often in the form of a certificate, allowing secure transmission while confirming the sender's identity and ensuring the data reaches the intended recipient safely. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Keep the momentum going by checking out the next video in the series, and if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to Bluehat Cybersec Academy.